Welcome to Birdlings Flat, a hidden gem on the Canterbury coast, a place where waves roar, pebbles glisten, and nature's beauty unfolds. Birdlings Flat is a small, rural settlement, home to just under 200 people. Originally named Te Mata Hapuku, it's located at the eastern end of Kaitoreti Spit and the southern end of Lake Forsyth. Just a 45-minute drive from Christchurch, this place is a perfect day trip destination. The beach at Birdlings Flat is unique. Unlike the sandy shores of New Brighton, here you'll find a stunning array of pebbles and stones. These stones have traveled all the way from the southern Alps, carried by the powerful braided rivers like the Rakaya and Rangitata. Some even originate from the volcanic outcrops around Banks Peninsula. The eastern end of the beach exposes basalt lava flows from the extinct Akaroa volcano, dating back 8 to 10 million years. These ancient rocks are part of the Mat Herbert volcanic group. The strong waves here shape the rugged beauty of Birdlings Flat, but they also make swimming dangerous. Due to the powerful undertow and currents, swimming is not allowed. Safety first, always. Birdlings Flat was originally named Te Mata Hapuku in Maori language. However, the area was later named after William Birdling, one of the first Europeans to settle here in the mid-1800s. Birdlings Flat is a paradise for rockhounds. The beach is renowned for its small agates and other beautiful pebbles. These agates, with their rich colors and patterns, are perfect for making jewelry. The wildlife here is spectacular. Keep an eye out for Hector's dolphins, fur seals, and occasionally even whales. Bird enthusiasts can spot terns, stilts, shearwaters, geese, ducks, and gulls around Lake Forsyth. Birdlings Flat is also a popular spot for surf casting and rock fishing. Expect to catch red cod, kahawai, elephant fish, and even 7 gill sharks. Lake Forsyth, or Te Roto o Wairewa, lies just inland. It's a shallow lake that has struggled with toxic algal blooms since the early 1900s. However, a canal was built to open the lake to the sea, improving its health significantly. Rain can raise the lake's water level, and to prevent flooding, the lake is periodically opened to the sea. This controlled drainage helps manage the risk of algal blooms. No visit to Birdlings Flat is complete without a trip to the Gemstone and Fossil Museum. Started in 2003, the museum is a treasure trove of polished stones and fossils, many collected from the nearby beach. You can even buy some of these shiny stones as a memento of your visit. Birdlings Flat is a place where nature, history, and geology converge. Whether you're here to look for agates, watch wildlife, or simply enjoy the rugged beauty, this place has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.